Explore the evolution of luxury hillside house design with modern elegance and nature. Introduction. Welcome to ByJustTD, where we delve into the fascinating world of architecture and interior design. In today's video, we will explore the evolution of luxury hillside house design, showcasing how modern elegance intertwines with the beauty of nature. As we journey through this evolution, you'll discover how contemporary architecture embraces sustainable practices and innovative design elements. If you're passionate about architecture or seeking inspiration for your own home, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's begin. The roots of hillside architecture. Hillside homes have a long-standing tradition that dates back centuries, often designed to take advantage of stunning views and natural landscapes. Historically, these homes were constructed using locally available materials, harmonizing with their environment. As society evolved, so did the architectural styles that influenced hillside homes, from rustic cottages to grand estates. This section will discuss how early hillside architecture laid the groundwork for modern luxury homes, focusing on the relationship between design, nature, and the homeowner's lifestyle. Modern design principles. The modern era brought about a shift in architectural philosophy, emphasizing clean lines, open spaces, and minimalistic design. Hillside homes began to reflect these principles, with an emphasis on integrating indoor and outdoor living. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and open floor plans became hallmarks of modern hillside architecture. This segment will delve into how these design choices not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also foster a sense of connection with the surrounding landscape, creating a seamless transition between the home and nature. Sustainable innovations. In recent years, sustainability has become a key focus in luxury hillside house design. Architects and designers are increasingly incorporating eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technologies to create homes that are both luxurious and environmentally responsible. From solar panels to green roofs, modern hillside homes are designed to minimize their ecological footprint. This section will explore various sustainable practices that have emerged in hillside architecture, highlighting how luxury can coexist with environmental stewardship. Emphasizing natural light. Natural light is a crucial element in modern hillside homes, and architects are finding innovative ways to maximize its presence. By utilizing expansive windows and strategic orientation, these homes are designed to harness sunlight throughout the day. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to the overall well-being of the inhabitants. In this part of the video, we'll discuss how natural light influences the design of luxury hillside homes, creating bright, inviting spaces that feel connected to the outdoors. Indoor-outdoor living. One of the defining features of luxury hillside homes is the emphasis on indoor-outdoor living. Designers are creating spaces that blur the lines between the interior and exterior, allowing residents to fully embrace their natural surroundings. Patios, decks, and terraces are seamlessly integrated into the home's layout, providing ample opportunities for relaxation and entertainment in nature. This section will showcase various design strategies that enhance indoor-outdoor living, highlighting the benefits of such spaces in luxury hillside homes. Innovative materials and techniques. Modern hillside architecture often utilizes innovative materials and construction techniques that contribute to both aesthetics and functionality. From concrete and steel to glass and wood, the material palette is diverse and carefully selected to enhance the home's design. This segment will examine how architects choose materials that not only complement the natural environment but also provide durability and efficiency. We'll also discuss the role of technology in modern construction methods, which enable architects to push the boundaries of design. The role of landscape design. Landscape design is integral to the overall appeal of luxury hillside homes. A thoughtfully designed landscape can enhance the home's connection to nature, providing visual interest and a sense of harmony with the environment. In this section, we'll explore how landscape architects collaborate with home designers to create outdoor spaces that complement the architecture. From native plant selections to the incorporation of water features, we'll highlight the importance of a cohesive landscape in enhancing the beauty and functionality of hillside homes. The emotional impact of hillside living. Living in a luxury hillside home can significantly impact one's emotional and psychological well-being. The stunning views, the sounds of nature, and the sense of privacy contribute to a tranquil living experience. This segment will discuss the emotional benefits of hillside living, including the connection to nature, increased relaxation, and a heightened sense of community. We'll also touch on how the design of these homes fosters a lifestyle that prioritizes wellness and well-being. Conclusion. The evolution of luxury hillside house design reflects a dynamic interplay between modern elegance and the natural world. As we've explored throughout this video, architects are continually innovating to create homes that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also sustainable and harmonious with their surroundings. We hope this journey has inspired you to appreciate the beauty of hillside architecture and consider how it can influence your own living space. Don't forget to subscribe to ByJustTD for more insights into architecture and interior design. Like this video if you enjoyed it,